Hello, sir. I'm Nilima from W World, and we want to take one short your introduction towards this workshop.
Right.
So first will be like, can you give your introduction to our audience?
Sure. My name is Sameer Sachdev, and I head the sales of the whole company.
Okay.
That is Samrin Group.
Okay.
So we have more than 18 projects lined up. 4 to 5 projects already completed.
Okay.
3 projects ongoing in Thane. 2 projects ongoing in Diva. Diva we are into affordable, and Thane we are into luxury segment.
Okay. So can you explain more on a luxurious project?
See, luxury is actually not defined in a way it should be. Luxury means kya hai? Means if you enter your house and if it takes you inside, that is luxury. It's not just a squash or a swimming pool or something like that, which you really don't enjoy that.
Okay.
But it should be peace of mind, where you can sleep properly. So there is no noise pollution around our project. And the amenities what we have given are to be used, that kind of amenities. That is what exactly the luxury is defined by us.
Okay. So I want to ask you next question. Like, you are in this industry from how many years?
From when I opened my eyes, because we had huge properties in Mulund. So born and brought up in real estate itself.
So what that one message you want to give buyers who are going to buy property today?
See, it is a very difficult question. It depends in what state you are, what kind of...
I'll make it more specific. If the age group is below 30 years and the age group is above 30 years.
See, apna time aayega. It is sometimes below 30 and apna time aayega, it is above 50. So that cannot be defined, to be very honest. जब भी आपका टाइम है, purchase it. तभी सबसे बेस्ट डील जो मिल रही है, grab it. Because क्या हो जाता है कि रेट जो है वो बढ़ते जाने वाले हैं. आज से अगर हम लोग 15 साल पहले या 20 साल पहले अगर गोल्ड लिया होता या फ्लैट लिया होता तो उसकी कीमत क्या होती और आज उसकी कीमत क्या है. सो दैट इज इट कैन नॉट बी डिफाइंड. तो वो ग्रोथ होने वाला ही है. तो उसमें क्या हो जाता है कि हमारा एक स्पेसिफिक बजट रहता है और वो बजट में से अगर हमको मिल जाता है, देखिए 100% आपको कहाँ पे भी आपकी जो प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए वो नहीं मिलती है. इफ इट इज अबाउ 70-80% बाय इट.
ओके.
राइट. और आपने एक टाइम सोच लिया है ना कि बाय करना है, तो फिर आप किधर भी कीजिए, थाना में कीजिए, नासिक में कीजिए, के और किधर कीजिए, लेकिन बाय प्रॉपर्टी. बिकॉज वो एक जो टाइम होता है बाइंग का
जी,
और जैसे एक शादी का टाइम होता है वो निकल जाता है तो कभी नहीं होती है. वैसे ही अगर आपका टाइम निकल गया फ्लैट लेने का, अगर वो निकल गया तो यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन रेंट.
One word if we say Samrin Group को आपको define करना हो.
Honesty.
Honest. Okay. One song you want to dedicate for Samrin Group. Any Bollywood song you want.
Song.
Yeah.
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
Perfect. Okay. One personal question. What do you like in a food?
Food.
Yeah.
I'm a vegetarian and I love junk food. So anything and everything is okay with me.
Okay. So now a certain question I'm going to ask you very quick, okay?
Okay, rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
Okay.
So let me see which I can ask you. I have certain questions made for you. Let me check which I can ask. What makes working at Samrin different from other builders?
Safety means if a woman is working with us, so there are no complaints as on date, so they are safe. You get your salary on time, and there is a growth in company also.
What's the proudest moment in the team had so far?
Proudest moment
Had so far.
in this organization.
Now in your journey, in this organization.
Okay, I had promised one of a guy named Roshan Patil. He was just looking after a normal this and that. I told him that ek din you will be a manager. And he really became a manager in one of my project in Diva. So he came to me and he had water in his eyes. He was just crying and he told me, sir, आपने बोला था कि मैं एक दिन बनेगा, and
That was the proudest moment for you.
Yeah.
And this is actually, if even I hear, मैं भी सुन रही तो मुझे भी सबसे proudest moment लग रहा है.
Right.
क्योंकि किसी को promise करना है वो complete होना.
Yeah. That was his work.
Yeah, but your
Yeah,
appreciated.
Yeah, that spark because मतलब उसको ऐसा लग रहा था अरे और कुछ ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, मतलब मैं छोड़ दूं क्या और किधर चला जाऊं क्या वैसे.
ठीक है. If Samrin Group were a person, okay, how would you describe its personality?
See, Samrin is the owner, Mustaqi's daughter.
Okay.
And she is into psychology. So if you correlate that, then I can say Samrin is equal to psychology.
Oh.
She is doing her masters in Chicago.
Okay. Okay. How does a team celebrate after a project launch or milestone?
See, many of us are on Facebook or Instagram or any kind of social media, and what we tell that ऐसा करना चाहिए, वैसा करना चाहिए, but no one does it. All are keypad warriors.
Yeah, right.
So हम लोग ने इसको क्या किया हुआ है कि when a person comes to our project, every time a form is filled, एक बच्चे का एक टाइम का खाना.
That's something.
Yeah. He buys a place, he does not buy a place. Okay.
Perfect.
लेकिन एक बच्चे का एक टाइम का खाना पक्का हो गया. And if you buy a property in our project, then 5 trees are planted, and 1 year's fees is given to a underprivileged child.
I want you to say this again to audience, you know.
Okay. Actually, it is nothing to brag about, but to be very honest, as I told, that we always are on social media and we tell that this should be done, that should be done, but we don't do it. So when we thought that whatever we get from the society, we should give it back to the society. So there is a better way to give it to the society, and that was designed in a CSR activity. CSR activity is for companies whose turnover is around 500 or 5,000 crore, right?
Right.
But we are not on that level. But then too, we thought that in spite of that, let us do something for the society. So we thought about a thing what we should do.
Okay.
Every form which is filled, एक बच्चे का एक टाइम का खाना is पक्का.
Okay.
Irrespective, he buys a place, he does not buy it. Only the thing is, he should fill a form.
Right.
Okay. And if he fills a form and then he purchases a property, he likes our pricing, he likes our budget, he likes our area and amenities and everything. He buys a place. As soon as he buys a place, 5 trees are planted and 1 year fees is given to a underprivileged child.
So I told you to say this because even we believe in nature. So at CPW World, we do for animals.
Okay.
So I was very happy to see someone doing for nature and small kids. As a mother, even I felt very proud. You know, you're doing.
Right.
Your organization is doing this.
And many of them recall us because there are exhibitions which is conducted by MCHI or some other groups.
Right.
There, what we do, that we order for 200 tulsi plants or 500 tulsi plants or 1000 tulsi plants according to the project.
Okay.
And then whoever comes in our project, he is given a return gift just because he enters it.
That's amazing. That's really good. One last one. If you would sum up this project in just one emoji, what would it be?
See, my Facebook profile or my Instagram profile is a child. Someone asked me that, is my son expecting something or something? I told no. But that I have kept it because that is the only time in the world when you are innocent.
Right.
When you are not with any religion, any caste, any creed, any language or anything. You are just innocent.
Right.
So this is how we should be in life. So I would suggest the one word, that is, that emoji is that child with that.
Okay. Perfect. Can I ask you one more?
Yeah, sure.
Do you remember your first ever site visit with a client?
Yes, I do.
One question. What was your first feeling when you did first delivery?
I couldn't believe that I did crack that deal. It was like कैसे हो गया ये?
कैसे हो गया? एंड क्या पहली चीज आपने बाई की वो करने के बाद?
बाई की?
हाँ, मतलब क्या फर्स्ट कहाँ वो पैसे आपने स्पेंड किए? ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपका।
मे बी घर पे ही, मतलब कुछ किसी को चाहिए था या भाई या मम्मी या हाँ, अरे पहली कमाई तो किसी को भी मतलब ऐसा ही रहता ना, अच्छा लगता।
चलो, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच।